After 27 years, the BJP is storming back to power in Delhi, sweeping the Aam Aadmi Party out of office after a decade. Let's break down the biggest political shake-up in the capital. The 2025 Delhi Assembly elections have been a historic turnaround. The BJP, which had been in the shadows since 1998, has won many seats and has crossed the majority mark. This marks a massive leap from its single-digit tally in 2020. The party has won unexpectedly very less seats. Now coming to the Congress nowhere in sight, it's heading for a third consecutive zero. The biggest shocker, Arvind Kejriwal lost his seat in New Delhi to BJP's Parvesh Verma by 4,089 votes. His former deputy Manish Sisodia conceded to BJP's Tarvinder Singh Marwa in Jangpura, but there was one fight back. Atishi managed to win in Kalkaji, defeating BJP's Ramesh Biduri. Why did AAP lose its stronghold? Many say it was a mix of factors: corruption allegations, governance issues, and Kejriwal's controversial Sheesh Mahal bungalow. The BJP's relentless campaign against AAP's leadership clearly struck a chord with voters. Prime Minister Modi called this victory a mandate for development and good governance. The BJP now promises an era of transformation for Delhi, but can they deliver? With Delhi lost, AAP faces an existential crisis. Punjab is now its only stronghold. Kejriwal says AAP will recalibrate and play a constructive opposition, but will that be enough to survive?
अब जो जनता ने हमें निर्णय दिया है, हम न केवल एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव ऑपोजिशन का रोल निभाएंगे, बल्कि हम समाज सेवा, जनता के सुख दुख में काम आना, व्यक्तिगत तौर पे जिसको भी जो ज़रूरत होगी, हम लोगों के सुख दुख में हमेशा काम आएंगे, क्योंकि हम राजनीति में कोई सत्ता के लिए नहीं आए। हम राजनीति को एक ज़रिया मानते हैं जिसके ज़रिए जनता की सेवा की जा सके, जिसके ज़रिए लोगों के सुख दुख में काम आया जा सके। वो काम हम करते रहेंगे और हमें आगे भी इसी तरह से जनता के सुख दुख में काम आना है।
Delhi's political landscape has changed dramatically. What do you think about this result? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more political insights.